Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome to Study with Devanand. I hope that you all are very good. You know, we are studying history. History, you observed that each and every chapter that are given in the textbook of NCERT are very lengthy. Lengthy text, lengthy chapters. Just we are studying this chapter for 8 days. Thereafter, we would complete it 2 more days. It means 8 to 10 days we will complete this chapter. No problem, just we are going to close our chapter. I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow we will complete it. In this chapter, we studied Salt March, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement. But the different classes of Indian society, they didn't participate in this movement because of just they were hoping the hopes of those persons would not be completed by Indian National Congress and national leaders or the national leaders. This was very big problem before the different classes of Indian society. It means what they were hoping, उनकी hopes क्या थी, what they were believing after completion of struggle or movement, what they will get, what they will achieve, कि हम achieve क्या करेंगे. Everyone just who is hoping after completion of movement, after struggle, what we will get or what we will achieve, हम क्या achieve करेंगे. But it did not happen, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Whatever they were thinking, जो कुछ भी वो सोच रहे थे वैसा नहीं हुआ. These were the problems not to support different classes in the different kinds of movement launched by Indian National Congress leaders. Our today's topic is how participants saw the movements. It means different classes of India participated in the different movements launched by Indian National Congress leader, but ultimately at the time of calling of movement, they didn't rejoin it. They didn't participate once again. एक बार जब इसको कॉल ऑफ कर दिया गया तो दोबारा से ज्वाइन नहीं किया बिकॉज ऑफ देयर होप्स वर नॉट कंप्लीटेड. उनकी होप्स पूरी नहीं हुई थी. These were the reason. So different classes just they were hoping, they were thinking, and they were thinking to complete, to fulfill their hopes कि हमारी जो hopes हैं वो fulfill हो जाएंगी. So first we will study in these different classes partidar peasants or the richer peasants of Gujarat. It means number 1, richer peasants of Gujarat. These were known पाटीदार्स. इनको पाटीदार्स कहा जाता था. ओके, पाटीदार्स वर द गुजराती पीजेंट्स एंड दे आर वेरी रिच नाउअडेज. आज भी बहुत रिच कहे जाते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द फार्मर्स दे ग्रो कैश क्रॉप्स, कमर्शियल क्रॉप्स एंड क्रॉप्स विच आर यूज्ड इन इंडस्ट्री. इट मीन्स वो क्रॉप्स ज़्यादा उगाते हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, इंडस्ट्री में यूज की जाती हैं. लाइकवाइज अनदर कैटेगरी जाट्स ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, जाट्स ऑफ वेस्टर्न यूपी. वेस्टर्न यूपी के जाट्स, ये जाट्स भी लाइक दैट पाटीदार्स ऑफ गुजरात, ये वैसे ही हैं जैसे कि पाटीदार के गुजरात हैं. एंड ऑल्सो द जाट्स वर होपिंग आफ्टर कंप्लीशन, आफ्टर स्ट्रगल, to participate in these movements like non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement. They would complete their hopes. वो अपनी expectations पूरी करेंगे, but it did not happen. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ. So civil disobedience, it was started in 1930 and after 1 year it was called off. 31 में जब ये called off कर दिया गया, it means when the movement was called off, the hopes of the people, hope of the partidars and jats of UP, just they became disappointed. ये सब लोग निराश हो गए थे कि अब हमारी जो उम्मीद है वो पूरी नहीं होगी. When it was relaunched in 1932, जब इसको रिलॉन्च किया गया 1932 में, most of the people they did not participate अगेन, इसको दोबारा से पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया गया था. Next, second category, poor peasants. Poor peasants also, they participated civil disobedience movement. Poor peasants, just they were hoping they had to pay land rent to the landlords. It means they were hoping after over civil disobedience movement, we have not to pay land rent to the landlords. Landlords को a lot of taxes was paid by the लैंडलेस फार्मर्स, पुअर पीजेंट्स, गरीब लोगों को पूरा किराया देना पड़ता था, लैंड का टैक्स देना पड़ता था, लीज पे लैंड लिया करते थे वो लोग. सो इट वाज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. आफ्टर हार्वेस्टिंग द क्रॉप्स एट द टाइम ऑफ सेलिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स, दे वर नॉट एबल टू गेट प्रॉफिट एनीथिंग मोर. कुछ भी उनको प्रॉफिट नहीं मिला करता था. सो दिस वाज द सिचुएशन ऑफ पुअर पीजेंट्स. नेक्स्ट क्लासेस of Indian society, also they participated industrialist class. It means who were the industrialists in our country, who were the capitalists in our country, they were very richer persons, बहुत ही rich हुआ करते थे. It means who were known industrialist. Industrialist people also they were known capitalist. Capitalist, they participated civil disobedience movement by hoping that our products, whatever we are producing in our country India, we would be able to sell it without any competition with foreign goods. हम foreign goods से कोई competition नहीं होगा and we can sell it easily. हम बहुत आराम से बेच सकते हैं. Just they were hoping after over civil disobedience movement, our government increased import tax. Whatever the merchants of India and the traders of India purchasing or importing from foreign or Europe and England. It means हमें कोई competition नहीं करना पड़ेगा and then we can get profit easily. We can increase our economy. We can increase our profit. So this was the hope of industrialist people and capitalist people. There was a organization FICCI, Federation of Indian Commerce, Chamber of Commerce and Industries. It was organized in 1927. In 1927 में इसका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हुआ था FICCI, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce Industry. It means whatever the persons were joining this FICCI, just they were hoping to produce the manufacturing goods. Thereafter we would be able to sell in world market without any competition and government will support us और government हमें support करेगी. So very great popular personalities, पुरुषोत्तम दास and another one G.D. Birla. You know, very popular name, Purushottam Das and G.D. Birla. They were industrialists during that time and they organized and supported government and also they gave a lot of money to Indian National Congress to get freedom and thereafter Indian National Congress supported those industrialists, right? But in this sense of belonging, most of the poor persons, those who are working in the factory, the Indian National Congress was reluctant in the interest of industrial worker who were working in the factories, who were working as a land-lease laborer migrated to the urban areas in industrial unit, right? So this was the industrial working class. Number 4, industrial working class. Industrial working class, they were hoping to increase their wages and better conditions wherever they are working. जहाँ पर वो वर्किंग कर रहे होते हैं वो सोच रहे थे कि हमारी कंडीशंस, हमारी फैसिलिटीज़, वट एवर द अमेनिटीज़ वुड बी increased, would be facilitated by government, by the owners of manufacturers or industrialists. These were the hopes of working class, but Indian National Congress was reluctant in the interest of poor persons, those were working in the factory, because of most of the richer section of society or the industrialists, they were giving money and to support Indian National Congress, right? And very important class, it was known women of India. You know, the contribution of women in the struggle for freedom of India is very crucial, is very important. Either any movement launched by Indian National Congress, women contribution in the Indian history is very important. ये बहुत important माना जाता है. Even nowadays, the contribution of women is very crucial to increase the economy of the nation and to develop the human society of India. और इंडिया की ह्यूमन सोसाइटी को डेवलप करने में भी एक बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम द वुमेन ऑफ इंडिया वेंट इनटू जेल, कई बार जेल में गई हैं. एंड ईच एंड एवरी मूवमेंट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस लीडर. वुमेन ऑफ इंडिया पार्टिसिपेटेड वेरी enthusiasm and they sacrificed her life. और उन्होंने अपनी जीवन को भी न्यौछावर किया है. ऐसी भी वुमेन हमारे देश में हुई हैं. नेक्स्ट वी विल स्टडी द लिमिट्स ऑफ सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट. इट मीन्स these were the participants scenario and who were not participating in these movements. But what were the reason not to participate in civil disobedience? It means there was limit. तो वो लिमिट्स क्या थी? लिमिट्स ऑफ सिविल डिसओबीडियंस. लिमिट्स ऑफ सिविल disobedience. Most of the time, most peoples of the different classes of Indian society, they didn't participate the different movements launched by Indian National Congress, especially civil disobedience movement, because of most of the classes of Indian society, they were neglected by Indian National Congress. There was a lot of discrimination among the society on the basis of caste, on the basis of religion and community. That's why most of the societies of India, they didn't participate again whenever it was relaunched in 1932. Okay, so first was the group Untouchable. Untouchable group, you know, it was known Dalits. इसको दलित ही कहा जाता था, दलित कहा जाता था. But Gandhi ji declared the persons who belong to the untouchable or Dalits, they are Harijan. Gandhi declared Harijan. It means people, those belonging to the Dalit or the untouchable, they are the children of God, they are the person of God. ये भगवान के भक्त हैं, ये भगवान के लोग हैं, हरिजन हैं, भगवान के बच्चे हैं. Very good respect to the Dalits or the untouchable by Gandhi ji. So most of the time Dalit leaders, you know, Dalit leaders, it means Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, very great personality in the history of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, you know, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he demanded for separate electorate, but Gandhi ji was not willing to give separate electorate. Gandhi ji said unto death. Gandhi ji said unto death. You know unto death? Unto death, आमरण अनशन. गांधी जी आमरण अनशन पे बैठ गए थे. He was not willing to give separate electorate policy. It means he was thinking, if we will conduct separate election for the Dalits or different classes, certainly the integration of India would be reduced. हमारी अखंडता खतरे में पड़ जाएगी. But the demand of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was accepted by British government or the colonial government. इस डिमांड को colonial government ने accept कर लिया था. Ultimately, it was organized, it was held पूना पैक्ट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बाद में पूना पैक्ट होता है. पूना पैक्ट हेल्ड September 1932. पूना पैक्ट, you must know about it. Pune Pact. Pune Pact was held between the clashes between Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Because of it was decided how to resolve this problem, how to resolve this clash between Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. इनका जो क्लैश है, इनका जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, वो कैसे रिजॉल्व किया जाए. So it was decided there must be given reserve seat for SC. It means reserved seats at the time of Central Assembly election and Provincial Council election. So there would be given reserve seat for the Dalits, untouchable persons. They can contest election, but there were no separate electorate. इलेक्शन सेपरेट नहीं होगा, वोटिंग जनरल होगी, बट कैंडिडेट को कॉन्टेस्ट करने के लिए, इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट करने के लिए सीट को रिजर्व कर दिया जाएगा. इट मीन्स वेयर एवर दे विल कॉन्टेस्ट इलेक्शन, सर्टेनली एनीवन वुड बी अ विनर अमंग द अनटचेबल. अनटचेबल से ही कोई न कोई विनर होगा. सो इट वाज द फाइनल डिसीजन ऑफ पूना पैक्ट. ये पूना पैक्ट का फाइनल डिसीजन था. Thereafter, clash and discrimination between Hindu and Muslim due to Indian National Congress leader or Hindu leaders, they reformed and they formed the Hindu Mahasabha. इन लोगों ने क्या किया था, अपना हिंदू महासभा बना लिया था. हिंदू महासभा. It was very big clash between Hindu and Muslim because minority persons, Muslim considered that they realized Hindu leaders, Indian National Congress leaders was neglecting the minority persons. In this sense, minority leaders, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, they demanded separate electorate. They demanded to get respect for Muslims in that such a way. He just demanded for separate country or a nation, separate nation for the Muslims. It was the clash between Muslims. That's why all the Muslim community didn't participate civil disobedience movement. Okay, so this was the different views of the different classes of India. They didn't participated in this movement, civil disobedience movements. These were the main reasons. I hope that it is very clear. Okay.